Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farheen Iqbal and today we are going to talk about ethnographic research. If we focus on the ethno means people and graphic means writing, its psychology and anthropology. Ethnographic research is a qualitative research approach that involves observing variable in their natural environment or habits in order to arrive at objective research outcome. Basically, ethnography is the methodology that aims to study the way people interact and communicate with a certain context. Means when we researcher have to observe the people, how they interact and communicate with each other in a certain context. Ethnographic research is roots in anthropology, which is in-depth study of people, culture, habits, and mutual differences. So that's why the ethnography purpose to obtain the in-depth understanding of people and their culture. Basically it's all about the distant group of society have usually been together over the extended period of time, having a similar beliefs, attitude, behavior, and language, and the main target on the real life environment originated from the term originated in 20th century, focus on developing the complex and complete description of people. इसका मेन फोकस क्या था कि डेवलपिंग अबाउट द पीपल कॉन्टेक्स्ट और उनके कॉम्प्लेक्स जो बिहेवियर्स या उनकी लैंग्वेज किस तरह से डेवलप होती है उसके बारे में कंप्लीट जो होती है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन इथनोग्राफिक रिसर्च, और सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग टर्म स्टडी. Procedure in ethnographic research. Identify research questions means you have to identify the specific research questions, determine location for research, formulated research methods, and acquired permission and assess. You have to permission for specific organization or the relevant authorities where you conduct your research, and then you have to collect the data, observe and participant and interviews. These are the technique जो कि you can use for data collection, code and analysis. Coding is very important in qualitative research. Coding is basically to enhance the understanding of researcher and the audience. Report finding, compare with the theories and take notes. Methods used in ethnographic research. कौन कौन से methods हैं जो कि we can use in ethnographic research? Have a look at this. Participant observation, first of all, direct or indirect, both. You have to, if you are present a clear study, you have to both direct or indirect, along with the variety of other methods as well. इंटरव्यूज़, ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस एंड प्रोबिंग क्वेश्चन जिसमें पूछे जाते हैं, एंड जो कि विच इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द रिसर्चर टू गेन द इन डेप्थ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम इंटरव्यू. फोकस ग्रुप एंड डॉक्यूमेंट आर्टिफैक्ट्स. फोकस ग्रुप एक स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप को वेयर यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. डॉक्यूमेंट्स, आर्टिफैक्ट्स, रिटन नोट्स एंड सर्वेज. Key points, if we look at the key points of ethnographic research is that is कि naturalism aim social research capture करती है और character to the naturally occurring human beings and data collection in ethnographic research. The approach of data collection is usually unstructured na, because while during the interview you have to probe many questions in the mind and you can ask easily, so that's why it's unstructured interview. You cannot plan the interview. Types of ethnographic research is confession, जिसमें आप अपने confessions को accept करते हो, confession करते हो किसी चीज़ के बारे में, अपने कोई life में किसी event के बारे में confess करते हो. एंड life history, किसी एक शख्स की पूरी, अगर कोई शख्स जा चुका है तो उसकी पूरी life history you can study. तो autobiography and novels, feminist novels and visuals. रियलिस्टिक होती हैं इसकी एक टाइप. एथनोग्राफी थर्ड पर्सन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑलवेज मैटर. एंड क्रिटिकल रिसर्च में रिस्पोंडेंट रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द करंट इशू एंड मोस्टली इश्यूज ऑफ पावर, एम्पावरमेंट एंड इनक्वालिटी. इसमें द advantage of this study is a valuable except in the depth understanding about the people, culture and behavior. And disadvantage is that it's a long term study and it's very time consuming. If you have any question, please comment me below. Thank you.